Hey everybody, so today I decided to go camping in Falcon and have class since there's free Wi-Fi. Just joking, this is just a fake background. So there's this app right here called SnapCam that lets you change your background. I was having some fun with it with the kids earlier. Let's see, there's some different things you can do, like you can change the background or you can change your image as well. So see, I'm a potato in the ground, I'm a jello head, different things. Okay, I have long hair. So, no, I would not use these funny ones with the kids because then it would just distract from the class. But it's just there's different options you can use to make things interesting. So what you can do is like, let's say for example, if you're like me, I'm a history teacher. Let's say I'm teaching China. Like we're going over the Great Wall of China or something like that. I click this one and look, now I'm in China. So it kind of gives the kids an idea what we're going to cover and also makes things a little bit more excited. Also because like, if I don't have this on, like you can just see that I'm just in the back. Or what I'm trying to say is like my background would just be plain. So like, the kids won't see like anything. They'll just see the back of my wall or whatever. So this makes it a little bit more interesting for them and kind of gets them a little bit more excited, hopefully. I know that I tried it today with me and Mr. Cervantes, and the kids had a lot of fun just seeing that we are in different places, not just in our living rooms or wherever we are in our house. So keeps it interesting, keeps it a little bit more fun. It's just an option you can use. Like I said, it's called SnapCam, and it's not a Chrome extension, unfortunately, but you can still download it. So you just type SnapCam like for Chrome on there, and it does have to be through Chrome. And I don't know why it's not an extension. But they told me it was not an extension, but that's how you get it. SnapCam on Chrome. And I just want to make it very clear, this is not Snapchat. You do not send any videos. All you do is, you just change the background on your camera. And it collaborates with Google Meets, so you can change the background on Google Meets. So all you got to do is press download once you get to SnapCam. This is the logo right here. Then you come down, you just agree to the policies and all that. You put your email, you put I'm not a robot, then you download either from Mac or PC. Then once you download it, it opens this up and it asks you to choose your background, and it automatically syncs with your. It should sync with your Google Meets. If not, you just come to settings, you change your settings, you come here to video camera, and you just change the camera. Okay, like this would change it back to my regular camera. Done. And right now my camera's off because I haven't turned it on. And I should be able to put it back to normal, but I have to mess with it a little bit more to be able to do that. Okay. So anyway, like I said, it's a new way of, just making class a little bit more interesting. Hopefully you all like it. If you need help, let me know and I'll sit down with you and help you install it to your computer if you want it. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.